What's going on, love and excellence fam? It's your girl Tina, and I am back with another video. This is going to be more like an audio because I'm going to be sharing some money affirmations that I say to myself on a daily basis, and I want to share them with you all so that maybe you can incorporate them into your affirmations as well. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. I am a money magnet. Every day, money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am a millionaire. Today, I am debt free. I am taking vacations every single month because I am financially free. I am helping others experience financial freedom.